Hey guys, so guess what I have right here is my new influencer box. Now I have no idea what's in it. So, well, I mean, I have some idea. I did take a survey, but let's get to opening. Woo! And actually, I'm glad that they learned you should put your address, the address label on the bottom, because it was kind of a hassle to black out the name and everything. Okay. This is a Shiseido new Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Tint. So, looks like is waterproof, oil-proof, etc. 24-hour hydration, 12-hour waterproof, shine-resistant all-day wear, sheer coverage, 12 shades, and SPF 20, which is not bad. Winter's coming up, so it's wow, look at that. I think this might be a full size, or well, travel size, definitely. Shiseido is a, shall we say, very pricey brand. So this is a very generous size for a trial. I think this might be the full travel size. Alright, so this is light Bana. I think that just light Bana. I don't know what the name means, but oh, that's satisfying click. So let's see. I've got a little scar over here. Let's try and see if it would hide it. Okay, all right, not bad. A little bit lighter than my normal skin color, but you know, winter's coming up, so that's actually got, I'd say, medium coverage. It's being billed as light coverage, but that's really more of a medium, because that spot was pretty pink and it's hitting it relatively okay. Yeah, light medium. Is the texture is kind of is not like thick, but it's definitely more of like almost like a buddy butter in terms of how thick it is. It's not like one of those liquid foundations, but it definitely does not feel at all sticky or anything. So overall, I can't wait to try this out, especially for winter. This is yeah, I think I'm gonna use this all winter and it'll be epic. But thank you for watching this short unboxing slash first impressions, and I hope you get to try this product out for yourself. Have a great weekend, guys.